बेंगलुरु पुलिस ने 854 करोड़ रुपए के साइबर फ्रॉड घोटाले का पर्दाफाश किया और 6 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया है, जिन्होंने स्कीम के बहाने व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम के जरिए हिंदुस्तान भर में हज़ारों लोगों को धोखा दिया। हुक्काम ने बताया कि धोखाधड़ी की कुल रकम में से 5 करोड़ रुपए फ्रीज कर दिए गए थे। सीनियर पुलिस अफसर ने बताया कि इब्तिदा में लोगों से 1000 से 10,000 रुपये तक की छोटी सी सरमायाकारी करने को कहा गया था, ये कहकर कि रोज़ाना 1000 से 5000 रुपये तक मुनाफा हो सकता है। रकम जमा होने के बाद मुलजिमान ने जमाशुदा रकम को मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग खातों में मोड़ दिया। 854 करोड़ रुपए की कुल रकम मुख्तलिफ ऑनलाइन तरीक़ों से क्रिप्टो, गेमिंग ऐप्स के अलावा दीगर में डाली गई।
They have been successful in detecting a very interesting cybercrime fraud case in which the cyber criminals have cheated certain individuals by luring them with high rate of interest for the money they deposited with them, and they have contacted these persons through WhatsApp and what Telegram social media groups, and then they have befriended them and they have gained their trust and started asking them to deposit the amounts. Then these people have not returned the money or that's what they had promised. So, in Bangalore City, 17 such cases have been registered in different police stations. Mainly cybercrime police station, 2 cases have been registered. North Central police station, 8 cases have been registered. Northeast Central, 4 cases have been registered. And the Southeast, 3 cases have been registered. The city cybercrime police station, the inspector and staff, they have done a very good investigation, meticulous investigation, and they have collected all the reports and details regarding this case. And the investigation done so far reveals that nearly about 5,013 cases have been, similar cases have been registered across the country. And the bank accounts which we have found through which this money has been circulated, or this money has moved from one account to another. As per the NCRP portal, about 854 crore rupees have been transacted so far, out of which 5 crore which were there in these accounts, in these 84 bank accounts, it has been frozen, and many other equipments like laptops, mobiles, printers, sewing machine, and other seized by 6 accused whom we have arrested so far. All these accused belong to Bangalore, and there are other 3 main accused who are absconding, and their partial identity has been established. Based on which we are making efforts to apprehend them also.